Welcome to Smart Syllabus, dear students. So today it's again 10th standard trigonometry, but today it is something different. We are not going to solve the MCQs. So if you want to know previous MCQs of the 10th standard board, so which type of questions they were and what are the tricks and all those things, so do check the channel and the link is in the description. So today I noticed we are solving the 1 mark question series. So trigonometry 10th standard previous year questions, 1 mark questions. Okay, out of that this is the first question. So if sine A is equal to 0, then what is cos A? So isn't it something strange question? So sine A value is given, that is 0, and something cos A is asked. So suddenly in the beginning students will get confused. And this question is asked in September 20 board examination of 10th standard. So what is the link between sine and cos? That you have to analyze first. So we have in the complementary angle section, cos and sine, there is one relation. And we have in the identity section, so there is a link between sine square and cos square. So if we use that identity properly, then we can find the value of cos A in an easy way. So what is that identity now? So the identity is sine square A plus cos square A, that gives us 1. Now sine square A, in the sense sine A, its value is 0, so definitely this is 0 square, isn't it? Now cos square A, as it is, cos square A is equal to 1. Now 0 is 0, send it on the other side, so what we'll get? Cos square A is equal to 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 0 is just 1. So just for your understanding, we can write it like this. Now cos square A is equal to 1 plus 0 is 1. Take out the square and you all know we can write square root over here. Now cos A is equal to, what's the value of root 1? It's just 1. See, it's a 1 mark, very simple question from the previous year board questions. Okay, so it's an easy question, right? Okay, let's check one more question from the previous year question papers. Okay, dear students, now we have 2 more 1 mark questions from the previous year question papers. This one is from the model question paper and this one is March 2020. Okay, so here are the very simple questions. So whether let it be the objective questions what we have learned in the shorts as well as in some long videos in the previous days, and these questions let it be 1 mark or 2 mark and all these things. So one thing at least is clear, and that trigonometry depends upon formulas. So again and again I'm just reminding you people, formulas, so if they are perfect then definitely trigonometry is very easy. Okay, now sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1 is equal to what? That is only the question. So now as you all know, sin square plus cos square is one famous first identity of trigonometry, and that is 1. It means it's a 1 mark question. So let us solve this one. Cos square theta plus 1 is equal to sin square plus cos square, it's 1 as you all know, so plus 1, that's equal to 2. See, so simple question, isn't it? Now one more similar question is here. As you can see, sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Now what's the value of this one? So as you all know, this question is from complementary angle section of the trigonometry. So there your teachers might have already told you, and in my previous video also I have told this one important part, that is, if we know the complementary angle idea, we have to apply it only for either numerator or denominator. I'm repeating the sentence. Apply the complementary angle idea only either for numerator or for denominator. So for any one part you have to apply, then only you're going to get the answer in an easy way. Thinking that I know all the identities and I know all the formulas of complementary, if you apply for both, then definitely you will not get the answer. Just to make it this one in a reverse format. Okay, so don't do that, just apply it for any one section. Now here in this case I'm going to apply the complementary angle idea only for the numerator part. So this is sin theta. So in the complementary angle section, sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta is here 18 degree. Denominator, don't touch anything, so just write it as it is. Next, cos 90 minus 18 degree. So 90 minus 18 degree, that gives us 72 degree by cos 72 degree. As you can see, already we got the answer. So it gets divided and we get answer as 1. So such a simple question. So similar questions. So I have just selected some brief questions and something different questions from the previous year question papers. So just if you go through the question paper again and again, you'll be facing the same type of sums. So trigonometry is not difficult. This just depends upon formulas and little bit common sense of using those formulas. Okay, so these are few 1 mark questions. Now remaining 1 mark questions of the trigonometry will be discussed in the next video. Till then, revise properly.